Good evening student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will here with some new topic. The topic name is geometry. First I will tell you what are the weightage of the geometry in the examination, board examination. Then I will gradually go upon that. So see the weightage of the geometry section in the examination. Whole geometry has been divided into three segments. Geometry has been divided into three segments. First segment is triangle, second is first one is triangle, second one is circle, and the third one is construction. These are the things you will learn in the geometrical segment in class 10. The whole geometrical segment weightage is 5, and there are the 3 chapters, in which in the 50 whole geometrical segment the weightage is 15 and divided by the 3. Now in which four theorem, in which one will be repeated times come in the examination, and in which there will be two in construction process, in which one will always come in the examination. So it is much easier than this one. Here in this part by learning 4 theorem you will get 4 marks question. One theorem out of 4 confirm will come in examination of 4 marks and 4 marks from the construction. 4 marks fixed, 4 marks is construction. So out of 15, 8 is much easier than to get 8 is much easier process. So I believe it is very easy for you, and it is very fun for you to learn the geometrical segment. So now let's move the next section, that is similarities of the triangle. So see what is similarity? A kind of process through which we can find whether the given geometrical figure or have same shape, not necessarily the size may be equal, may not be equal, but not necessarily the size. Here the only thing is that the shape will be the same. A lot of things in our surrounding will be the similar figure. We can just now think upon that. Suppose your picture, your photographs, when you are click your photograph, go to the studio, print out the photograph. There will be so many options you can print out in the photograph: passport size, postcard size, stamp size. All this thing is that the shape will be the same and the size will be the different. Postcard size, passport size, and the stamp size will be same thing. The shape will be the same, but the size will be the different. These are the things. Similarly, lots of things are that so many toys are there whose shape are same, but the size will be the different. Some toys will be dolls. You have seen so many dolls are there. Maybe bigger doll, a smaller doll, medium doll. There are shape will be the same and the size will be the different. So let's see what is the condition, what are the things in the similar properties. So I'm just telling you the thing. See a student, I have written the definition. Similarity: a kind of process in which we check or find that the given geometrical figures are in same shape. Size may be different. Here see the example. First circle, second circle, and third circle. All the circle have the similar condition that their size are different but the shape is same, that are circular. Here see this one. All the 3 squares have the same shape but size may be size is different. Here 2 triangle, same shape, size are different. Here 2 A's, same shape but size are different. 2 rectangles, same shape, size are different. There are so many types of geometrical figure, non-geometrical figure you can find in your surrounding, in which you will see that there will be a same shape but the size may be different. These are the similar criteria, similarity for this one. So I just suggest you see the in your surrounding, find out such types of figures, then you will be elaborated all those things, what is similarity and what actual is. See, now I will just about tell you in my, just after this I will tell you what are the properties of the similarity. After similarity what we will get and what are the criteria of the similarities. Students, see this figure, analyze the thing that whether these two figures are similar or not. So here see this one, both figures are triangular but the shape is not actually fit with this one. So we can say that this triangle will not be similar to this triangle. This triangle will not be similar to this triangle. When you reduce this triangle, shape will not acquire to this one. So here we can say that after reducing also we will not find this triangle, the shape of this one. So we can say that this shape is not similar to this one. Shape will, after reducing this one, this shape will fit upon this one, or after this one, after reducing this will be fit under this one. So in that case you can say that the given figures are similar, but here both will not be applicable. So we can say that it is not similar to each other, despite of it is triangular region, despite of it is triangular figure, but here it is not similar. What are the properties of the similarities? First, properties of the similarity in a triangle. Properties of similarity in a triangle. In a triangle. The first properties are, suppose if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. See student, here the in similarity the naming of the triangle is one of the most important thing. If you will do correct naming, then you can easily solve the question, but if you will not be able to correct naming, then you will not be able to solve the given question. So what are the ways to correct naming, that I will tell you the further. First, this is I have taken the example. Let's see, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, what does it mean? First, by properties of the similarity, we can say that by properties of similarity, the first property is their corresponding angles are equal. Their corresponding angles are equal. The first properties are corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. What do you mean by corresponding angle? See the figure. The first one is A, first one is D. So we can say that angle A is equal to angle D. Now the middle one is B, middle one is A. So we can see that angle B is equal to angle E. Now the last one is C and the last one is F. We can see that angle C is equal to angle F. This is the corresponding angle. The second property is that corresponding sides are in same proportion. Corresponding sides are in same proportion. Same proportion. Proportion means their ratio will be equal. What does it mean? Divide and make two pair of two. So first one is AB. Now the AB pair, the corresponding of AB will be DE. So AB divided by DE is equal to BC divided by EF is equal to AC divided by DF is equal to some constant K. The ratio will be equal to each other. For this, I will just give you the example of this one. So after this one, I will give you the example. And now third one, the third property is, see, I have taken the example. Let's check about what is the actual proportionality. What is the meaning of AB by DE? See this one, in triangle ABC and in triangle DEF. Here when you will do AB by DE, it will be 2 by 4. So it can be reduced by 1 by 2. Again when you will do BC by EF, it can be 5 by 10 and after reducing it will be it will be 1 by 2. Now AC by DF 3 by 6, now it is 1 by 2. So by seeing this by seeing these things, we can say that AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF is equal to 1 by 2. After similarity, these things are, this is actually called the proportionality. That's why I have written here K. K is any constant number. So we can say that triangle ABC will be similar to triangle DEF. Actually this is, see this one, this is the symbol of similarity, and this is the symbol of similarity. In the congruency you have seen the symbol is something like that. Why it is equal? Because it is in congruency, the two geometrical figure will be equal to equal in all respect. That's why here equal to sign has given, and it is also given in the similar, means all the congruent figure are similar to each other, and but all the similar figure need not to be congruent. These are the things. Here is equal to sign has not given, that's why we are saying that all the similar figure will not be congruent, but all the congruent figure are similar to each other. Here the similarity figure symbols has given in the congruent, so we can say that. The similarity is that if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, then the ratio of area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF will be equal to the square of their corresponding side, means AB by DE whole square, BC by EF whole square, and AC by DF whole square. If triangle is similar, if triangle are similar to each other, then we can say that by properties of the similarity that the ratio of their area will be the ratio of square of their corresponding side. This is the third properties. Now the fourth properties of that, if the triangle is similar, then the perimeter ratio will be perimeter of triangle ABC divided by perimeter of triangle DEF will be equal to the corresponding sides ratio, means AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. If triangle is similar, then the ratio of perimeter of both triangle will be equal to ratio of corresponding sides. If triangle is similar, then the ratio of area of their corresponding, the ratio of area will be equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. These are the properties. Lots of properties are there also. If triangle is similar, then their area will be, if triangle is similar, then the altitude of the triangle will be, ratio of altitude will be equal to the ratio of corresponding sides. So ratio of altitude will be equal to the ratio of corresponding sides. Ratio of median will be equal to the ratio of corresponding sides. Ratio of median will be equal to the ratio of corresponding side. Ratio of angle bisector will be equal to the ratio of corresponding side. But the thing is that triangle should be similar to each other. So these are the things, these are the properties. Now let's come to the criteria of the similarity. What are the criteria? The criteria of the similarity is criteria of similarity. How we will similar the given figure. The first criteria is angle, or angle. At least two angles should be equal, or all the three angles will be equal. Then we can say that the triangle ABC and triangle DEF similar to each other. Suppose this is the triangle ABC and this is triangle DEF. Suppose this is 50 degree, this is 50, again this is 65. Now this one will be 65. Similarly, this is 50 degree, this is 65, this is 65. Now we can say that, so triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, naming should be something like that. 50 means A, 50 means D. So I have started A, then I will start from D. This naming of this triangle will be, it can be anything. It can be ABC, it can be ACB, it can be CBA, it can be CAB, whatever. But the naming of this triangle should be based on this triangle. Whatever the naming of this triangle, that will be that respect to this triangle. Okay, these are the things. We can say that ABC is similar to triangle DEF by angle. This is the first criteria of the similarity. Now the second criteria of the similarity will be SSS. What does it mean? It means ratio of all the three sides proportional. Ratio of all the three corresponding sides will be proportional to each other. These are the things. That's why I have written SSS. These are the things. Means if AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF, ratio of given sides are equal, then we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by criteria SSS. This is the things. Now the third and the last criteria is SAS criteria. SAS. What does it mean? See the triangle. First of all, see triangle. What I am reading this one. See this one. Suppose this is triangle ABC and this is triangle PQR. This is triangle PQR. PQR. Now see. Suppose the length of the sides of this one is 5, this one is 4, and the length of this one is 8. Now this one is 3 and this one is 6, and that angle is 60 degree. Now this one angle is, say student, this is the example based on criteria SSS. I have taken two triangle. I have taken also written the length of the sides. See this one and judge whether the two triangles are similar, and if it is similar, then what are the criteria? The criteria must be SSS. So see, for this one, first of all I will do the naming. For naming, first of all I will check. See this one, AB divided by QR, that is equal to 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly BC divided by BC divided by PR, that is 2.5 divided by 5, 1 by 2. Now AC divided by PQ, that is equal to 3 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2. Now all the three sides, ratio of all the three sides are equal, so we can say that triangle ABC. First of all, I have written triangle ABC similar to triangle QRP, so that AB divided by QR is equal to 1 by 2. BC divided by RP is equal to 1 by 2. And now AC divided by QP, that is equal to this one. This is the correct naming process through which we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle QRP. The criteria will be SSS. I have shown the example here. You can see and judge whether it is correct or not. So this is the criteria through which we can find. This is the criteria through which we can say that ABC is triangle similar to triangle QRP. Naming will be as per this one. Just I have done this one. So in the future you should also learn the naming properties, the naming criteria, so that there will be no any confusion while solving the question related to the similarity. Now let's move to the third criteria, that is, see a student, this is the example of criteria SAS. Criteria SAS, this is the example of this. I have taken a triangle ABC, I have taken a triangle DEF. Here AB is equal to 2, BC is equal to 2.5, AC is equal to 3, and here EF is equal to 4, DF is equal to 5, and DE is equal to 6. Okay, now see this one. Angle B is equal to 85, angle F is equal to 85. So we can say that AB by EF is equal to 1 by 2, BC by FD is equal to 1 by 2. Now angle B is equal to angle F, angle B is equal to angle F, that is equal to 85 degree. So we can say that triangle ABC similar to triangle EFD, the criteria is SAS criteria. दो साइड और उनके बीच का एंगल देखिए AB बाई EF, ये हो गया एक साइड, फिर AC, फिर BC डिवाइडेड बाई DF, ये दो साइड उनके बीच का एक एंगल यहाँ और यहाँ, तो दोनों साइड के बीच का एक एंगल में ये दोनों क्राइटेरिया जो होगा वो SAS क्राइटेरिया से सिमिलरिटी पे शो हो जाएगा. These are the things, these are the criteria we can say that दो साइड्स के और एक बीच का एंगल होना चाहिए, तो ये क्राइटेरिया से फुलफिल हो जाएगा. Okay, I have taken so many examples. In my next video you will say the things that is related to the examples and some questions. So till that, have a good day. God bless you. Take care. Keep watching my video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting.